heading to the beach. Mr. Man is just napping. He is so content. Mama right here, driving the Princess Mobile. We're about just over an hour out. Halara! We are about 22 minutes out for our little getaway. He's been doing great. He is just chilling. We are here. Simon is very excited. He's like, oh my god. Yeah, big yawn, you waking up? We made it to my aunt's place and yeah, I don't even know what time it is right now. It is 6:54. We've got our stuff in the house. I'm walking around out back because it's fully fenced in, so I'm here with Mr. Man and yeah, we're just hanging out. Just wanted to say hello and that we made it safe. Driving day was a success. It took about 3 hours, 2 hours and 45 minutes-ish. We did Capra when I got here, and yeah, now I'm just chilling. I'm just gonna be hanging with my family, and then autumn comes tomorrow. Look at these cute little, you can see Simon's paw prints, because it's been raining. It's been raining on and off all day. I said to my mom, I said, get in, loser, we're going to the beach. I'm gonna go inside. Her place is the cutest. I'm obsessed, and I love you and Beth so much. All eating their ice cubes. Yeah, you. Look at that. Look at your ice cube. Oh, hi, baby. You still have a little piece of ice cube right here. There you go. Hi, Lily. I have no words. This is not my room. I want to get my mom's reaction.
Jeez, on the way.
Look at this man. Yep. He said, this is my room, thanks. Look at this bugger. This is the little medical station. Medicines. Love you, but you will be moving. This is all of like Simon's stuff, my stuff, Simon's stuff, and my stuff, and then medical stuff. So I'm gonna do my seizure medicine prep right now. I'm gonna time lapse that. This is just kind of a self-care vacation vlog. I don't really know what it's gonna turn into. Needed some time away at the beach to just exist and be mindful and find my inner peace back. Girl, I'm gonna prep some Capra. While I'm here, I'm gonna prep 3 Zofrans. Sharps container. That's it for med prep in terms of like IV stuff. The rest is G-tube feeds because I am finally making the transition from TPN over to G-tube feeds. So I might show you the setup of that later. It depends on the spoons I have. Winding down for the night. It is almost 10 p.m. It is 9:57. Just got some water. I'm gonna take my nighttime medicine, connect to Capra, push a Zofran, connect to my G-tube feeds, and then crash hard as a rock. I had my headphones on because I'm just jamming out. So I plan on vlogging what I can of this trip. Like I said, it's more just for self-care and to see my aunt that I'm visiting here. Let's do it. Let's play some music. We're gonna jam out and we're gonna crank it out. Feeds are ready. I just have to plot my extender on it so I can actually connect it to my G-tube. But I brought my little zebra squishmallow, of course, because I had to bring the little guy with us. Oh yeah, so sleepy. He already got his sleepy strawberry, so he's ready for bed. I just gotta finish my stuff. Ow. My hand getting damaged from opening a water bottle. Just Ehlers-Danlos things. I'm all connected to my G2 feeds right here. So now I'm gonna start my pump. Alright, beautiful people. I am doing Kepra right now. I've got Mr. Man right here with me, ready to cuddle and go to bed. So, good night from us. We love you so much. And I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, we got a good helping man helping carry our little snack run. Good boy, Si, hold it. Good job, handsome. Hello everyone, so it's been a while. Today has been an eventful day. I slept in, which was very nice, and then I had a really bad migraine. Little did I know it was like a pre-seizure headache, because I did end up having a partial seizure, which will probably be included in this video, at least parts of it, for educational purposes. Simon did good. He responded to it nicely. We're still working on that. I was just about to do my seizure medication, but that's besides the point. It's dinner time right now, and I had just kind of snacked, and so I'm just gonna do a little bit of training with Simon. We did a little mini outing. We went to the dollar store and got a few snacks. It's been so rainy. We've gone outside and tried to play ball and stuff. He's just like, I don't want to be out here. It's raining, but I still love it. My aunt's house is so cute, and I love her so much. Love whenever I get to see her. Simon loves her so much, and both of the puppies too. He literally sniffed one of them this morning and just had his happy butt and was like, I like these pups. He already ate Din Din a while ago, so I'm gonna do a little bit of training with him. That's why he keeps picking up that sweater. It's because he's like, please, I want treats. So I'm gonna do some training, so I'm gonna show you that. Since we've completely changed the way we work together, that happy tail just does not stop, and I'm so proud of the progress that we've made together. Look at the happy face. He's like, can we do more? Look at that tail. But you're so good. You responded to Mama having a seizure. You did so good. You did so good. And Autumn's here now too. Yeah. So handsome. I think he might be alerting Simon. Check. Yeah, that's an alert. Cardiac alert from training. Let's see what I'm at. Oh yeah, I feel it now. He's good catch, handsome. I'm trying to use the restroom, and we're trying to keep him on the bed, but he's just staring at me as I go into the bathroom. He's like, how dare you? Like, I can still see you. You must stay. You must stay. I will be right back, handsome. Stage 5 clinger.
Stage 5 clinger. Stage 5 clinger.
You gotta stay, okay? And then all together we'll go outside, okay? But you gotta stay. We haven't been to the beach in forever, I know. Yeah. Good job. That's man. Autumn and my mama are parking the car. It's actually a lot more packed than I thought it'd be for off season, but it's so cute. Can you find mama? Oh, there you go. Can you find mama? Good boy. Nice. That's the command I used. I just said, find mamas.
Go find mama.
Good job, Sammy. We saw another team.
Oh, did you?
It was a little brown lab.
Vivian. It's me.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Sounds good.
Thank you. Good boy, sorry. I know you're at the beach again, handsome. Simon's doing pressure. Something. It is windy.
Very windy.
I fainted. Simon did
pressure.
good DPT. My happy place. Yes, even when it's gross. Go work. Go work. We were complimented by another team. They were good too. They were so sweet. Definitely confirmed Simon is a beach dog because he was doing pressure and then he was like, no, I want to be in the sand. So now doing pressure in the sand. This dog loves sand. He loves it so much. He is a beach dog. That's how I know he is my son. You love crab and you're a beach dog too. How am I doing?
It's like you're getting better. He's probably of the sand in his toes.
I got my toes in the sand, butt in the sand, body in the sand. No words in my head. Mama's good right now. I love you so much.
Beach dive.
Squat up.
Beach dive.
I know. This is pretty comfy too because he's not on my knees, so like it's not, nothing's gonna pop out. So it's pretty comfy.
Some LPT now
Yeah.
that you're not unconscious.
Yeah. Everyone, it is Saturday at around 2:54, almost 3 o'clock. I am doing my Capra right now, my seizure meds. Simon is right here. We just got back from the beach. It is really cold and gross, but we finally were able to get some beach time, which was all I wanted to do while I was here. I had a really rough morning. I had a really bad rib dislocation that literally had me in tears. So I had to get that back into place and get my body to cooperate enough so that we could go down to the boardwalk and sit on the beach for a little bit. We sat on the beach for like an hour, just taking in the ocean sounds. It's literally my favorite thing in the world, but Simon did amazing. It's so good and I'm so proud of him. So this is a pig snout, so I'm gonna give this to him because he did so good working today on the boardwalk and the beach. Look at him, he's sweaty. He's like, I know what mom is getting me. Okay, so free. You enjoy it, just make sure you chew it. You're free.
He's like, don't watch me.
I know. He's like, don't watch me.
Not watching.
Not watching at all. It was a lot more crowded than we thought it would be on the boardwalk and everything.
It's October.
I know. Tomorrow
is
October 1st, so now I've got to recover. Oh, my body has not been cooperating.
No,
I've had a seizure. I've had several absent seizures. I've had fainting.
You've had weird chills episodes.
Weird whole body shaking chills. I had it last night and I had it this morning too when I dislocated my rib. I think that one was for pain, but the one last night was either stress or nausea or something. I don't know. It was weird. But that's the update. We finally got some beach time. Now we're gonna rest. Rest and recover. I don't know why I'm shaking. I hate this. I knew it. Alright everybody, well that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed coming to the beach with me and my mom and my fiance and my service dog, visiting my family. I love you all so much and I will see you in part 2 of this video. It's not going to be an easy one. There will be trigger warnings and everything included, of course, but I would want to make sure anyone else who has gone through something like this or has family or friends who's gone through something like this just doesn't feel alone. And I want to raise awareness at the realities of chronic illness, like not just the good parts but also the scary realities of it. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next video. Before I leave, don't forget to stop what you're doing and subscribe to join the family. I love you all so much, each and every single one of you. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
She ended up having a seizure, a lot of seizures. She's intubated. I don't know what's going on.